Welcome to Share Trading Education. My name is Jim Berg, and this presentation is designed to give you an overview of the trading system that I use to educate club members in our newsletter and home study course. I use common sense investing by combining fundamental and technical analysis and applying weight of evidence to every trade. Traders come to sharetradingeducation.com to learn to invest for themselves, to learn to make profitable trading decisions, and not rely on the so-called experts. And the easiest way to learn to trade is to find a mentor who will teach you exactly what they do, what companies they trade, when to buy, how to manage the trade to protect your capital, and when to close a position. The newsletter portfolio trades are executed and managed with a rule-based trading system. I never trade what I feel. I never have to ask myself, what do I do now? Every decision is based on a written rule. All I need to do, and all you need, is the discipline to follow the rules. Following a rule-based trading system eliminates all emotion from trading decisions. The following trade is an example from my newsletter. This trade shows how I take our subscribers from the entry level through to closing a position. After I confirm the weekly rising trend, I switch to a daily chart and look at an indicator that generates an alert signal marked on the chart with an arrow. The alert occurs on what is called a correction or a retracement within a rising trend. It alerts me to the possibility that the correction could be over and that a rising price could trigger a blue bar volatility entry signal. A blue bar volatility entry signal is triggered when the price rises from a recent low. The initial stop is below the recent low. The entry on this trade was 4 days later, when prices retraced to within 10% of the initial stop. 18 days after entry, a profit target exit signal occurred, resulting in a 15.2% profit. We are often asked why we take such short-term profits in the newsletter notional portfolio, and the reason is education. The best way to learn how to trade is to see lots of examples of entries, exits, and position management. Our portfolio returns would be greater if we held profitable trades longer, but the number of trading examples would decline as a result. Our subscribers know that once they have learned my trading system, they can change it to suit their own time frame, their own personality, trading philosophy, and personal circumstances. I have trained thousands of traders, and I believe very few would trade exactly like me. They borrowed my system and changed it to make it their own. We invite you to do the same. Trading is not difficult, but there is much to learn, and right now is always a good time to start your education.